7:43. So in the EG state data section within our object that is behaving as an editor, we have added two new variables. We have the type of glass panel we're putting down, which will be defaulted to a see-through panel. And then we have a ugly fucking hack down here, way down here. Where the fuck are you? TILEFED GTX GTY. We need this. It's an ugly hack. You might see why we need it later. Okay, TILEFED. Inside of TILEFED, we have this function right here that gets us the U32 that we need to set down into the tile map when we're using editor controller 2. Let's look at the math. We have some variables here. Pause to read these. We don't have time to go over them. This is what we're going to read from the tile map, and this is what we're going to write back into the tile map. And we're going to offload this into this output variable once we've calculated this. Okay, we have the EddyGame object. We have some other variables we're deriving from EddyGame. And also, we're hard-coded to the BOM layer here because the glass panels are only in the BOM layers of data. And then GTX GTY, here's a little fucking hack right here. And then here's our red, green, and blue of the glass panel we're going to lay down. Here's the type of glass panel we're going to lay down. We got some error checking here to make sure everything's in range. And then we're going to read the actual tile value from the tile map because we want to not corrupt the BOM data that is already there. So we want to kind of draw around the BOM data in terms of the bits. Okay, so here's a calculation as to how much I need to shift to get the glass panel enumeration into the correct slot. And then down here is the math for bitpacking everything together. So we need to take the data we read from the BOM layer, and we need to erase everything except for the actual BOM data. And we're going to erase all these unused bits so that we can re-overwrite them with the new glass panel data. So the panel type, and then the red, green, and blue channels of the glass panel. This just to make sure that we don't get a weird-ass negative value because it's JavaScript, and then we're going to assign this value to the output binary tile value. Okay, then down here in TILEFED editor put, we have some hacks. So this line of code right here has been moved down here because we need to get GTX GTY and load GTX GTY into our fucking hack variables before we can call this and get the correct results. In MouseMaster, same idea. We have another fucking hack in MouseMaster. It's right down here, and this is also why the glass panels are broken. So we gotta do this hack before we call this. We're out of fucking time. Like and fucking subscribe. I'm out of here.